Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to talk to Claude AI. If you are using Claude AI and you want to know how to talk with Claude AI, so let's see how can do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just log into your account in Claude AI. So the very first thing you have to keep in mind if you're trying to talk with Claude AI, so here's a basic rule applied for all AI model or AI assistant like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, and Claude AI, which is to provide no context. You just have to make sure that the thing you are talking about, you have completely explained that in a single message or a single prompt. So let's say if you are asking about explaining the climate change, so it's not the exact right way to talk with Claude AI or to any AI assistant. You just have to add as context as you can. So I'm gonna remove this and I'm going to add a new prompt here, which is explain climate change to a 12-year-old under 30 words. So here you have to enter your age and the paragraph, how long you want to, you can increase or decrease it how much you want, and here you have to enter the main topic. Now you can add some more requirements like using simple language and to everyday examples. Once you have done this, click on this send option and it will give you an exact response. So here you can see it has a great response with two different examples. Now let's say I'm gonna enter something else. Like this, I'm preparing for a job interview for a software engineering role. So you have to tell Claude why you are asking this question and then you have to enter your question here. So if you try to enter only this question, so it will not give you a response as well as you want. So the very first, you have to enter why you are asking to Claude, and then you can enter your question here, so it will give you a well response. You just have to wait for this. And you can also use Claude to train it as an expert, and then you can easily get your answer. So for example, I'm gonna asking it to act as a financial advisor. So once I've entered this sentence, it will act like a financial advisor, like a practitioner, like a coach, and then you have to enter your question here, so it will give you best answer or best response you want. So in this way, you can easily talk to Claude AI. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.